All right, Friday's here. We've got the workout in, ready to go. Markets right now heading into the open, flat. So we've got a lot of these major catalysts out of the way. Big week as far as central banks and policy decisions, lack of decisions are concerned. So that's out of the way. Market's pretty flat right now. Dollar seeing weakness again. Been a big week for oil. Oil right now looks like it could be up on the week about 9%. So we're north of $40 a barrel in WTI. A lot of action in that oil market lately. Speaking of action, one catalyst today that could shake these markets up, certainly from a volume and activity standpoint. So you might hear this term thrown around in the trading world, but today's quadruple witching. It happens every March, June, September, and December. And all that means is index options and futures, single stock options and futures all expire today. So what happens is you generally see a lot of volume, a lot of activity, and sometimes you get some erratic moves with that. I know it's a weird term, and few people actually get out there and talk about what it actually means. Frankly, most people probably don't even know what it means and still talk about it. But all you need to know if you hear that term thrown around today could be a silly market. A little bit of erratic as people are getting in and out of positions with expiration coming up. So other than that, not a lot on the news front. Again, pretty quiet market right now, but there's still opportunity out there. We talked about oil. There's been a lot of opportunity in oil this week. So let's get out there. Let's get after it. If I don't talk to you again, everybody have a safe weekend. Have a little bit of fun. Get out there, enjoy yourself. And I'll check in with you again on Monday. All right, folks, take care. Bye-bye.